what they call holy ashes. First of all, there is no such a thing as holy ashes. It is just words that are used to lure you into even worshiping things that you don't even know, even to also render sacred devotions to things that you don't know. Let me tell you how these things started. It started with the vibhuti and also the pujas. It is also practiced in Hinduism, and these things most of the times they are made of burnt wood, burnt cow dung, and also cremated bodies, especially these ones that are sold at shops that you are told to go and buy. Most of them, those ones, they came through cremated bodies that came through other religions that believe in human sacrifices. There are still religions that are doing that, and you take and you bath, whereas you don't even belong to that particular religion. Then when you take and bath and do whatever that you are doing in the spiritual realm, you are making a devotion. It's more like you are making a spiritual oath to dedicate your soul and to dedicate your life to that sacred religion that you don't even know, to that sacred deity, to that deity that they bent that offering to. So you are rendering worship to certain deities that you don't even know, foreign gods. You are rendering that to them. And then when this thing happens in turn, it is going to work against you. Don't be fooled by thinking that it is chasing spirits. There is no other thing that will chase a demon except the name of Jesus Christ here on earth. There is nothing that can chase an evil spirit except the name of Jesus Christ. It used to be then that people would do rituals believing and that it will chase, but until the name of Jesus Christ is being given unto us, that name, it is the name that you will use to chase spirits. Make sure that you will pray and you will fast. And as you pray, you command things, they will come out. These rituals, this holy age that you are given and you are told to practice, it is not any something that is good to you. You are rendering devotions to spirits that you are not even willing to commit to spirits that you are not even willing to serve. You are rendering worship to them. And this is the very same thing that most occultic pastors they do when they go to mortuaries and they ask or they buy water that they use to bath the dead bodies, and then they take that water and begin to use for some spiritual powers or some spiritual significance, believing that it chases away spirits. And these are the things that are actually just provoking spirits. So when you do these things, there is no such thing as holy ashes. Good people, commit your lives to God. Commit your life to God and that alone. Listen, just be patient. Learn to be patient as you pray. Nothing is permanent. So refrain from